Alright, hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but in this video, I'm gonna be sharing to you an answer to an email sent to me. So I thought of answering this generally so that you may have the same question. And also, I've been reading a lot of posts in different groups asking about if their business or specifically their cafe is sustainable. So I think this is a similar situation. So let me read to you the email. It says, "Hi Faye, I've been following your content for a while and I wanted to ask for your advice about my cafe business. Our shop has been operating for a little over a year now. Thankfully, we already have regular customers. Good for you. Good feedback and a reliable team handling most of the daily operations. Compared before, I'm no longer as exhausted because I was able to delegate many of my tasks already. Great. Our cafe operates mostly from afternoon until late evening. It's the usual in the Philippines. So, unlike in other countries na malakas yung mga coffee shops in the morning, but in the Philippines, usually after the evening, since those are the peak hours in our area. Right now, our monthly sales usually range around 70 to 95,000. Okay. Estimated monthly expenses, rent 12K, utilities and internet around 7,000. Okay. Ingredients and packaging 32,000. Coffee beans and other inventory around 6,000. Team payroll around 28,000. When I compute everything, the business feels like it's only slightly above break even most months. I'm grateful that the cafe is stable and no longer too stressful to manage. But honestly, I still feel like the profit is too small for the effort and capital involved. Mhm. In your opinion, what should I focus on improving first? Should I work more on marketing, pricing, strategy, lowering costs, increasing sales, or something else entirely? Would really appreciate your thoughts. All right. Oh, if this was in a consult call, no, this is how I would answer this one. I will answer it with a question. What do you want to get from your coffee business? Um, what is your goal? So, for example, you want to be sustainable. Most would say or ask, sustainable ba sila? Now, sustainability, if you try to search for it, sustainability is somewhat equal to being just break even. No, when it's sustainable, meaning yung pumapasok, enough lang para may mailabas. So, meaning yung sales, enough lang for the expenses. No, so is your goal sustainability or is your goal profitability? So, if your goal would be profitability, my next question would be, how much? What is that specific number that you would want from your coffee business? And most actually have a difficult time answering this. And I just don't know why. 'Di ba? Because the reason why you started the business in the first place is for you to get extra income. Tama, right? And some would just look into sustainability. So it doesn't make sense. If gusto mo ng extra income and you would just go for sustainability, parang yung goal mo and your actions is not in congruence. Kaya ka napapagod, di ba? So, be honest with yourself. If you want profitability, okay. You don't want to just be sustainable. Next is how much. Now, if you have a hard time answering how much, you go back to the question. I always do this to my face-to-face classes, no? And even to my consult calls and even to my franchisees. How much do you want from your business? What's your target income from your business? If mahirap siyang sagutin, what's the reason you started your business? So some would be, the reason is they would want to have extra income. Okay, so how much? If you can't answer how much, para saan yung extra income? Let's say you would want an extra income for what? Let's say for groceries ng family namin for the whole month. At least yon sagot na ng business namin. So, you go to your numbers, how much ba yung grocery nyo per month? So, let's say, every week, you go to grocery. Depende, ilan kayo sa bahay, di ba? So, let's say, 5K per week times 4, more or less, that's 20,000. That would be your target income. Let's say, you want extra income to just pay for the insurance of your family members. How much yun? So, that's your target profit. Or maybe some started the business because eventually they want to resign and they would want the income ng business nila to replace their um, full-time job or their payroll. So, how much yung salary mo ngayon? That's your target income kung gusto mo siyang i-replace and eventually resign from your business. Gets? Okay, that's the first step. Identifying what's your goal and putting it into numbers. Great. Now, let's say you already have your numbers, no? What we will do now is to convert it to cups. So it's a lot easier to understand. Now, you can research this. You can research break-even formula. That's what I use in my consults, in my own business, and even to my franchisees as I help them. But I'll show to you, our my profitability calculator that I do during my classes, and also what's included in my book, Charet, endorse. But of course, no, promote yourself. So let's say I'll plot it here. You already have your desired monthly profit, the one I mentioned. Example, 20,000. Then the next thing that you need to know or identify is your monthly overhead expenses. Let's go back to the email. Let me just grab my phone so I could read it and recalculate. So that would be, you mentioned their rent. Wait. 12,000, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, rent. Moment. Okay, 12,000. And then utilities and internet, 7,000. So plus 7,000, 19. Payroll is 28,000. Okay, that's monthly fixed expenses. Now, I just have a question here with your ingredients and packaging, coffee beans, and inventory. So, bali, these two are your cost of goods sold. That's also another question. Anyways, I'll go to that later. But monthly overhead here, the fix that you gave me would be a total of 47,000. I have that there. Okay. So your average margin, if I would just use the one that you gave here, if your um cost of goods sold, that's 6,000 plus 32,000 is 38,000, and your monthly sales is around 95. So 38,000 minus 95, your gross profit is 57 divided with 95, more or less that's 60%. Okay. And I just don't know what's your average sales price, but let's say we assume 100 pesos maybe. Okay, and then let's say you operate every day, so 30 days. Okay, so for you to be able to get, if you're watching this, I hope you are, but to those na have the same situation, this is how you would look at it. So if you would want to get 20,000 monthly profit from your business, considering that you maintain all of these expenses, no, um, and also the cost of goods sold. That's also another thing I want to also emphasize here. Is it 32 and 6 your cost of goods sold already or purchases? That's another question. But let's say I assume this is your cost of goods sold. So your margin is 60%. You're selling it at 100. So you need to get a target sales of 111,666.67, or we convert it to days, that's around 3,722.22, or kung cups, that would be 37.22 cups. So this would give you that direction na every day you just really need to get 37.22 cups for you to be able to achieve this 20,000. Okay? So if your goal is profitability, no, to make things a lot easier, to answer your question, ano bang unahin mo, increase ba ng selling price? If you don't want to increase selling price because it might shoo away your customers, no, so identify your target profit, use this formula. So there would be a lot of things, and you also need to check. Nagra-rap ako, no, but yeah, I have a lot of things to ask to this person, but I just don't do consults now. That's why I'm answering this through a video. So look into Kasi ako, nanguhula lang ako dito kung ito ba talaga yung selling price mo. Baka kasi kung 80 pesos lang yung benta mo, you need to sell 46.53 cups. Okay? Gets it? Gets mo? But the numbers would be the same. You have to have a target sales of 111,666.67. In your current setup, you said 95,000 lang. So you have to increase it this amount if you would want this monthly profit. No? So to answer your question, what you need to do is you need to know first what's your goal. If profitability, then use this calculator. Okay? Use this break-even point. So that profitability calculator is part of this book. So though this is a physical book, this would be delivered to you free nationwide. You get an access to an online classes by me with a link to get the profitability calculator. Okay, so if you get this book, or if you can join my face-to-face classes, links are in the description box or in the comments. No, things like this, kailangan talaga siya ng, because every cafe is different. So different kind of situations. So for me to be able to answer it best is to really know your situation. But generally, this is how I approach it, and those are the usual questions that I will ask. So yeah, I hope that that helps, and I hope this also helps others who have the same problem and question for their coffee shops. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Till the next video, and if you have questions, email me hello there at failurain.com, and let's use your question for another video. Bye!